Alright guys, we are doing a moto vlog. As you can tell, we're on the motorbike. Guys, we're going to head up what's called Tourism Road. We are actually starting clear at the other end of Tourism Road. Not as you come into General Luna. This is kind of like another road that connects Tourism Road. I don't know how well of a tour guide I am going to be because, oh, look out, look out, look out. Oh, is she okay? Hang on. I knew somebody would help her out. I don't want to, no offense, guys, but, you know, I would like to help out, but you got to watch in situations like that. She's okay. She's not hurt. But yeah, kind of misjudged the corner a little bit, right? Come on. Yeah, foreigner girl. Yeah, you be careful with things like that. Your instinct is to help, but a lot of times Filipinos will help each other. You just got to be cautious. Anyways, like I said, I don't know how well of a tour guide I'm going to be because this is only the second time I've been down this part of Tourism Road. Of course, hotels, rental bike places, cafes, massage places. If you stay down in this end, there are, I call them tuk-tuks, right? You know what I'm talking about. There's people that hang out down here and can give you rides into the more busier part of General Luna. But yeah, you guys see it. Like I said, this is fairly all new to me. A lot of construction going on down through here. I don't fly on these roads. Some people do, but not me. I just take my time. I mean, it's just a beautiful ride. Luke's brother used to work at one of the resorts down through here. Nice resort. There's a restaurant here to the left. A place called Shape Shifters back there. I said you guys are observing as I'm observing. Surf and chill this way. Some private property. Restaurants to eat at. And everything's at like island jungle vibe feeling. There goes foreigner. Well, I'm a foreigner too, right? Slow down. Some of these places I'm passing, they've come up on my Facebook feed page. Oh, it's nice and cool. This shaded tree area. Guys, here's the thing that's hard to find too when you're here. Even in like downtown area of General Luna where all the restaurants, clubs, and all that are at. Finding a shaded place to park. It's a tough thing. And if there is a place, guarantee it's taken. Because man, in the middle of the day, your motorbike is cooking hot. Look, when you sit on it, she's wearing shorts. It burns that hiney. Yeah. Slow down. It's a school. Now this is the area where, right to the left, is that area that was on my video the other day when I was showing places to stay. If you turn left there, it takes you out to the bridge that a lot of the people go to in the evening. We're going to get out there one of these days. Yeah, that was the area there where that one little bungalow house that we looked at was back in that area. Outer Cafe. Coffee shop. freaking bird shit on my head. Is that a sign of good luck?
What?
The bird shits on your head?
Yeah, they said.
That is a sign of good luck. All right, so I don't feel that bad. I thought, look at my cheek.
Yeah, I know.
The
They
bird.
said if somebody like put your like a bird, a mosquito, or a poop in your head, they said it's a sign that good luck, you will earn a lot of money.
Wow. It says it's a sign of earning a lot of money.
That's what they said. I don't know.
I gotta pull over here. I gotta check this out.
Wait.
I gotta check this out. Hang on a second. Let me detach this for a quick second here. You guys think I'm kidding? Let me see. Yeah, I ain't kidding, guys. Look right there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
A bird shit on me. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right, Lud?
Yeah, I see.
Oh, wipe that bird shit off me, Lud.
Huh?
Wipe that bird shit off me.
What I should wipe?
I'll wipe it off. You're not supposed to keep it on, are you?
You should just keep.
No, I will keep the bird shit on. So Lud says it's a sign of good luck. We're going to be coming across a lot of money.
Yeah.
Maybe one of the subscribers will
Send you a million.
send me some super chat.
A million.
All right, my glass. Even my glasses have shit on it. Hang on, let me get that off my glasses. There. I actually thought it was. Let me. Doop. All right. I actually thought it was a raindrop. Raindrop. Oh, all right. Here we go again. My bird shit face and me. That's first. Nah, I've had bird shit on me. Right? Don't get me wrong. I never came across a bunch of money. That's first time here in the Philippines. Yeah. Back to our bird shit vlog, right? Mujo's ice bath. That's what we should try, an ice bath. Laundry. That to the left is where Luis's brother works, the laundry place. Bliss is there on the left-hand side, very popular place here. Coming up to the left is Cloud 9. It is low tide, so therefore there's not a bunch of people coming. To your right is Barbie's ice cream place. I stopped there once again. She was not there, but I told the staff, have Barbie make chocolate peanut butter ice cream. Now, they said they use real milk and they make their own ice cream. Barbie actually does what they told me. If she were to make chocolate peanut butter ice cream, I'd buy a whole tub of it. I love chocolate peanut butter ice cream. I just love chocolate and peanut butter combined like a Reese's. Guys, if you look coming down through here, also there's a lot of construction either side of the road. Lots for lease, lots for sale. I think at some point all this is going to be built up with either restaurants, resorts, hotels, coffee places. It's just crazy. You know, Lut and I, when we first came here 8 years ago, we stayed at a resort up here. It would be on the left-hand side. It might be on the right-hand side looking at the screen. I don't remember, you know, how the GoPro's showing. Or not the GoPro, but the camera. But it was really, really nice. And I haven't seen it. I don't know if it got destroyed during a typhoon. They didn't build back. Who knows? Or maybe they did it. Maybe they just have a different entranceway. Yeah, I don't know. But I haven't found it yet. That was a nice resort. See, now right here you can see this part of the road is not paved. They only came down so far, and then they stopped paving the road. But the roads are still nice. They're not beat up. They're not hammered. There's a couple bumps here and there. But for the most part, they're good. Yo Guy on the right. That keeps popping up on a Facebook feed. You got to kind of pick and choose when you want to get around people. places. All right, now you can see where the paved road starts. And this has just been recently paved, I would say within the past 6 months. And it's nice. Where does the money come from? I don't know. Who knows? Government project, local project, I don't know. I think this guy's turning. He has his turn signal on. Oh, now it's off. As we come down, just pay attention to like the looks of the building. How it just, everything looks that islandy vibe. From the roofs to the front of the restaurant, or the front of the buildings, coconut trees on the left. Just islandy vibe. Ice bath, there it is again. I don't know if I want to do an ice bath. Maybe on a hot as hell day I do an ice bath, right? A Nooks and Dukes. That's a chain right there. Chain restaurant, chicken place. But I don't know, it fits in. It just fits into the atmosphere. It doesn't look like a big, chain restaurant. Now we're coming down more where it starts getting busier. Barbecues, massages. I'll eventually get to know where what's what through here. Another speed bump. A Legend of Tarzan? Alright. Go ahead, buddy. Spa. You can't find a spa and a massage place here. You're not looking hard enough. And a tattoo place. A lot of tattoo places. And coffee places. Those seem to be the big three things that are very popular here. Alright, now we're getting more into like your downtown, what I would consider your downtown General Luna. ATM machines, they're all over. The key to that is finding one that works, and don't go on a Monday morning because they will be empty. Not going to do that one. Oh, now we will. Here we go. Get on it, Mad Max. It's about 12 o'clock, high noon. I don't think we're going to get rained on today. They didn't call for rain. Starbucks Cafe on the left. Look, I just had breakfast there. Decent breakfast. I haven't found really any place that has blown me away. However, watch out for the puppy. Blow your horn. They know what a horn means. However, Whitebeards, I always like Whitebeards. There's time through here. What happened here? Fender bender. I don't know. Why would you just stop and park? Look, why would you just stop and park like that?
Stupid.
Unless there was a little accident. Like I said to Lotus, you wonder how many accidents happen through here because some people, they don't pay attention, or inexperienced riders. A lot of, the foreigners come here, the younger foreigners come here, whatever, drink, ride, inexperience riding. You wonder how many. However, if the rental places are smart, and hopefully they should be smart, as for a driver's license, however, are they looking at that driver's license to see if it has a motorcycle endorsement on it? That's the key. You can hand them a driver's license here. You might be able to drive a car, but if it don't have a motorcycle endorsement on it, technically they're not supposed to rent to you. But do they do it? Well, that I don't know. That I really couldn't tell you because I'm not a motorcycle rental place here. The truck, a lot of times you come down here in the morning and got a lot of delivery trucks going on. You guys see it. We will get down here. I told Lit we're going to find a place, spend the night there, hang out around through here at night to show you what it's like down through here at night, the party places and hangout places and all that. All right, we are almost coming up to the end of this tourism road. I think it does keep going out further, but further you go out, there's really not too much going on out there. Just kind of fizzles off right there. Around you, buddy. See, now right up here, if you make a right, that takes you down to Dapa and out towards the airport. Like I said, this is where it kind of just fizzles out. To the left is your port area where the market is and where you can get rides for island hopping and all the other, this area, this intersection, you always got to keep your eye out. There's no stop sign or anything like that. But anyways, to the left is your port to grab boats and all that. So anyways, from Siargao Island and my bird shit moto vlog. Maybe I'll name it my bird shit moto vlog. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I apologize. I'm not a great tour guide at this point in time because I'm discovering this area just like you are. So with that being said, we shall talk to you later.